Catherine, do you think we will get that elusive full 5% pullback at some point this year?
I thought we would, but now I think I've changed my mind. I don't know what's going to bring this market back. I think I'm going to say we're in a centrally planned economy. 50%, more than 50% of the market is passively invested right now. So the most important person you should ask is the committee of the Standard & Poor's. And if we do get a pullback, I don't think it's going to be for the reasons that people are talking about. I don't think it's going to be the Fed tapering. I think it's going to be something out of left field, something like what we saw in COVID in March of 2020. But I think the market seems like it's going to keep going up. The Fed has been very supportive. So it makes it hard for a stock picker.
And so what would you do then, Catherine, or what are you doing with your clients if you initially thought that we were going to see this pullback? Now you're not so sure, but if we do see something, it could be something out of left field. How do you possibly prepare for that?
I think, the S&P has been a great place to be. And I would stick with the S&P. If you're feeling bullish, maybe buy 2x the S&P. I do have some names that we think are interesting. Toll Brothers, we think is very exciting. Went up about double the market so far, but I think it's got room to go. It's a home builder. It's cyclical, $7.5 billion market cap. My buddy Ed Schott onto it. Got a great management team. Fred Cooper and his guys do a great job. And I think it's going to continue to go up for two reasons. Number one, the Chinese buyer, the foreign buyer, has been on the sidelines. Number two, if you look, the U.S. has actually been underbuilding for the last decade. So it's one I find interesting. I've got some others I think are interesting.